Mukomana utozvinakira what's the biggest threat to maintain the quality? Chimyatemba. Atuwe, temba you.
Does it what I did to the finishing them all?
Jine zvaita sei waina unotenga kunze kwenyika uchienda zvo? Unongoita zvekutamba vanongofunga kuti chi pamwe mukomana anongoda kungoshaina mumotikari kana bedroom racho kuti bespoke bespoke bedroom does. Mikey, just cushions. I'm not more about tennis. Don't pass. Everything that you need.
I was going to get the two of them. Coach.
I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Anyway, this is one of for the South Africa show part. UPS Wi-Fi too.
I did everything myself. I was the constructor.
Wow.
It's simple, but something that
This is the game.
so I'm doing something for the right sound.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Birthday boy. Birthday boy.
Yes.
Birthday boy.
Yeah, with PC.
Yes.
Yeah.
With PC in the building.
Yeah. Cushions. I'm not more about tennis. Don't pass. This is serious, Jimmy. This is serious, Jimmy. Yeah. I like brothers who, show they are about ball. You can take what's in my hands, but you don't take what's in my brain. Because only people and a vision can produce something like this. This is good.
Does it what I did to the finishing them all?
Jine zvaita sei waina unotenga kunze kwenyika uchienda zvo? Unongoita zvekutamba vanongofunga kuti chi pamwe mukomana anongoda kungoshaina mumotikari kana bedroom racho kuti bespoke bespoke bedroom does. Mikey, just cushions. I'm not more about tennis. Don't pass. Four-post bed. I say what about that? I go to I say what? I'm sure we don't think about it. Everything that you can go and put it
Outside.
It's just the finesse. It's just the way that you handle the task, the finishing, and what you do Basarimani. You know, Tukapera Sakanaka, you know, for a long time. From one of Sarah. Dara, who's Mata Kushika from Dara, which stand up my home, Dara. I don't need them there. Can I was never over, which no was never the was what about
Okay, we don't have a program about that. I have a friend about it. Check your phone, wireless, or you get plugs.
Hey, I am at the Genius Kanumbre. What you call this? This is a rural setting, but of a magnificent extravaganza mansion. You only find these houses in Malibu, United States, etc. Come on, guys, look at it. Don't be jealous. Look what I'm seeing here. I haven't even entered. And look at the vehicle outside here, and the other ones, and so forth. I know that there are many cars out of here which are not here, held by some people who are jealous. Hey, this is it. So, you know me, boy. I'm happy that you invited me here.
You almost